Let's learn how you can share and move project on CapCut. So the first step is to open your CapCut application. Now you want to go to your project. For example, I will choose this one. And you want to click on something here. So it must be blank. And so just set the arrow right here and click on modify right here. And you want to select this option in imported media, copy media to project, and now just hit save. So it has been saved now. Now you need to go to details right here and take a look at this path option. So you need to go right here. This is the place where your project is saved. So it's users app data local CapCut user data. We want to go there. So open app data folder, and now just follow the steps right here. So local CapCut user data projects, and for me it's this draft folder, and it's called 140419. So we can just copy it and place it on the desktop. And just as that, we have transferred and saved our project to different place. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.